Welcome back. My name's Mark David and I'm teaching people how to draw cartoons. And today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon horse. Now the thing about cartoon horses is that it requires that you get the proportions kind of right, because horses are such beautiful creatures that if you get the proportions wrong, it's not going to look so good. Horses are, I personally think, very beautiful, elegant creatures, very smart, and you want to make sure that the horse is kind of well proportioned. That involves drawing a few guidelines so that the line work ends up in the right place. So I'm going to show you my recipe for drawing a cartoon horse, and you'll find that just like most of my cartoon formula, they always start with a circle. So once again, we're going to start with a circle. Our cartoon horse. So draw a circle. Hopefully you've got a piece of paper and a pen to draw along with me, because this stuff's going to be very learnable, very easy. It always is on this channel. And so therefore, draw the next stage, the horse's head, horse's nose, and I like to actually draw the horse's mouth over another circle. So I've drawn the horse's mouth there, and the horse's mouth is open. Horse's mouth. Draw the horse's ears. And you can draw another ear. The other side of his head. Horse's eye, and I'm going to draw the horse's neck, and now we're going to draw two big circles to show where the body's going to go to. So two big circles at the end of the neck, kind of touching each other. There you go. And draw the horse's back, just a bit of a dip in the back, just a little curved line to join the two big circles. The horse's stomach, the horse's belly, and a little circle here to show where the shoulders are going to go. I don't know what you call them, the shoulder. There's probably a special horse word for a horse shoulder, but I'm just going to call it a shoulder. So just a circle there, and we can draw the first part of the horse's front leg, and the hoof, and the other leg, horse's back leg. Just do the stages, beginning of the back leg, another hoof, another back leg, and the horse's tail. And it needs a mane, so we'll give it a bit of mane action, a bit of nice furry stuff over here, and some long hair over the back here, show the mane. And maybe a bit of shading under the horse to show it standing on the ground rather than just hovering in the sky. And we've got a cartoon horse. And we can delete some of those guidelines if we want, and just clean up our drawing a little bit. You'll see it's starting to look a little bit better. So there's my drawing of a cartoon horse. It's not so hard. It can be hard if you try to draw it in one hit without any guidelines. But if you draw the guidelines, makes it much easier. So if I'm drawing a cartoon that I haven't drawn in a long time, I've forgotten how to do it, I rely on the guidelines a lot. It just makes it easier. And if you follow the guidelines, then your drawings will usually turn out better. So there's my drawing of a cartoon horse. I'm just going to make all that faint. I'm going to trace it. Make it look better by tracing it. Do it a more careful drawing, using that first drawing as a guideline. And if people couldn't see the guideline, you can see it because it's in pale grey, but if people couldn't see that guideline, they think, wow, this guy's really good at drawing cartoons because he's doing it so quickly, but it's all having a guideline done first. And that's how a lot of us do our cartoons. We draw the guidelines, and then draw it more neatly afterwards. And people don't see that at first stage. They think that we're just really good at what we do. And I'm fine with that. I'm fine if people think I'm really good at what I do. But I want to be a bit more honest in this channel to show that it actually just comes down to knowing a few tricks and practicing them. And remember, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. That's just the way it is. That's how it worked for me. And a bit of shading under the horse, and I'll delete the guidelines. And there's my drawing of a horse. So I think you'll find that wasn't too difficult. Yet drawing a horse is considered one of the more difficult animals to draw because the proportions have to be kind of right. Now, if I did a lot more horses, I could probably do a better job of that. One day I might delete this video and do a better horse, but in the meantime, a horse like that will get you over the line as a cartoon drawing. It doesn't have to be photorealism. That's the cool thing about cartooning. I don't think I've ever drawn a photorealistic drawing in my life. But I've sold a lot of cartoons over the years because it's such a simple way of drawing. And I encourage you to have a go, not just with drawing horses, but with expressions. That was my first video, cats and dogs, the second video. Third one is drawing hands. This one's drawing horses. So if you find something you like about this video, it would be great if you click the like button and subscribed. I haven't posted any videos yet. I'm preparing a few videos before I actually start the channel. So as I say this, I have no followers, likes or subscribers or comments at all. So anything you do will make a difference. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come back and learn a bit more about cartooning.